Hey, wow, friends, this is white and black spot dog. Wow. Let's keep it into the truck. Hey, wow, friends, a dog. Let's move to the next animal. Oh, wow, friends, it's a very beautiful a fish. A yellow color, very beautiful fish. Wow. Hey, a very dangerous, a lion. The king of jungle, lion. Ha ha ha. Let's see more beautiful animals we have. Wow. Let's see. Wow. It's a small and cute a rat. Wow, friends. Let's see the another one. Wow, very beautiful and very fantastic horse. Very strong and very fast running in. It's a horse. Wow, I like it. You like it? Then like the channel and subscribe. Wow, friends, let's move to the next animal. Yeah, it's a Doreamon cartoon. Favorite cartoon, friends, Doreamon. Wow, hey, it's a panda. The friends, the truck is now fully loaded. Let's go. Let's start the engine and let's go to the jungle. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, let's go.